Hi,
Hello. What is your name?
my name is Andrew. What is your name?
My name is Kate. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from UK. Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old. How old are you?
I am 24.
Where do you live?
I live in USA. Where do you live?
I live in Spain, but I am currently living in California.
What do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
I work in a company and I am a manager. What do you do?
I work at a bank. I'm a general manager.
What does your father do?
He works as same as you. He works company and he's a manager.
That's great.
What do your parents do?
My father owns a restaurant and my mother is housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
I don't have any siblings.
Great, I just have one younger brother.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies?
I like hang out with friends and playing video games.
Now it's your turn to speak English. I will be speaking first person's dialogue, and you will be speaking second person's dialogue. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Sam. What is your name? Nice to meet you. I'm from London. Where are you from? How old are you? I'm 26. I live in London. Where do you live? What do you do? Are you a student or do you? I work at the bank. I'm a general manager. He do the same work as you. He works in a company. He's a manager. What does your parents do? How many siblings do you have? Great, I have just one youngest brother. I like reading books and watching movies. I like horror and thriller movies. What are your hobbies?